So most of you are asking about how we'll get the 1,000 rupees back, which we activated as a part of $300 trial period of the GCP platform. Means using the GCP, we have activated using our own card details. Now we are not getting the refund. For getting the refund and for activating the subscription, means activating the trial, I've already made a video. You can watch it. I've shared the links in the description. So yesterday only I got this email. Okay. The email contains about the refund issue that I already placed, and I have shown you how to claim the refund. So you can see the refund of 1,000 rupees has been credited to my account. Okay, and it will be listed on my whatever payment mode you have used. It will be updated over here, so you can just check it over there. Now how to just claim the free credits, I have already made a video. I'll attach the playlist link. From there you can watch it, how you have to activate the trial and how you have to claim your money back. So this was the important information video, because most of you are asking that we are not getting the money. Please guide us and share the latest update regarding it. So this was only for the people who have activated a GCP Google Cloud Platform trial credits, okay, which we have to pay and then activate by using our personal details. So this is for this, okay, not for the arcade program where we get the credits for completing the labs. This is totally different. Here we pay for the service and use, okay. So most of you are participating in the hackathons also, or maybe other events also, but most of you are finding it difficult to get the refund back. So I have already shown in the video. You can watch it. I'll share the link in the description. Also, if you are interested in other events also, you can just check out the channel. We have covered everything in detail. So this was a quick video I wanted to share. Thank you guys. Have a great day ahead.